Taking care of others fills Callie White's cup.
I get to take care of my patients, they're medically and mentally and emotionally, and their families.
She's one of 69 nursing students who recently graduated from CHI Health's Summer Student Nurse Internship program, an 8-week hands-on experience that lets students pick what CHI Health hospital and unit they want to work on. Each intern is paired with an experienced nurse, learning what it's really like to care for patients. Callie spent her summer following an ICU nurse at CHI Health Good Samaritan in Kearney.
She encouraged me to try new things. She would say, here, watch me this time, but next time you're doing it. And that really helped me to gain confidence, learn hands-on without just reading a textbook and then saying, okay, I understand it, but I've never done it.
The program is proving to make an impact, and it continues to grow with more than 150 students applying this year.
We've had the most students interview this last year that we've ever had. It's created a lot of excitement. And so they get a ton of experience and they feel much more prepared to enter the nursing field because of this experience.
And it's paying off. In 2024, 45% of the summer interns were hired as CHI Health nurses following graduation. And this year, 72% are now working as CHI Health student nurse techs while they finish school.
It is a completely different experience. So then when you get to your first job, you've already got that experience taking care of patients. You know what a daily load looks like. You know the routine.
Callie is now a student nurse tech in the Med-Surg ICU at CHI Health CUMC Bergen Mercy. It's where she hopes to end up after graduation and a place that already feels like home.
This is what I love. This is where I want to be.